Bill, what?
Start again.
Okay, I'm Bill Potasic, Director of the King County Library System.
So, Bill, what was it that inspired the King County Library System to try to make a difference in this economic environment?
A couple of things. First of all, the economy was bad. But secondly, the more important thing is we realized that a lot of the issues that our community was facing were information-related issues. And that by providing access to information and by helping people navigate systems, information systems, we can make a really big difference in their lives.
So what kind of information do I need if I'm unemployed?
You need to know how to write a resume. You need to where to apply for jobs. You need to know how to get unemployment insurance during the time that you aren't employed. All those things take a considerable amount of access to technology and understanding of how those systems operate.
Yeah, and so how does the library help me do a resume?
We have software on all of our public access stations that they're called Resume Maker or Resume Builder, that you actually put your information in and it develops a fully professionally produced resume. We have free printing in our library so that you can not only put the stuff in, but you can print out several copies of your resume that you can use. And you can download it so that you can send it on to businesses because more and more organizations are only taking applications that are online.
Yeah, so how much did you guys charge for that?
Nothing. We have a very, very strong philosophy that we provide free and open access to information, ideas, and we don't give anybody any service that is based on their ability to pay. It's all free, and we feel that our tax support is what really enables that system to be available to everyone in our community.
Now, it sounds like you're also providing some pretty technical information about government services. Do you have all those skills available in the library?
We don't have them all in the library, but what we've done, where we don't, is to bring those people in from those governmental agencies, whether they be the Department of Health and Human Services or the people that are involved in employment programs, or in some cases we've actually hired community college staff to come and teach classes in citizenship, English as second language, or how to get a job, or even how to start a small business. So we'll go out and find the resources if we don't have them within the library. What the library does, we've got the space, we've got the people that can give one-on-one assistance, we've got the technology, and then again, if we need to, we'll go out and get the expertise.
So how in the world did you get the message to people that you were there available for them?
Well, you know, we can do all the traditional things like put it in the newspaper and you have ads on television and the radio, and we did all that. But more importantly, we needed to do something that was newsworthy. So we opened the libraries more hours than we typically do. We did it without increasing the expenditure of staff. We did it through volunteer efforts. But we tried to take the one thing that we felt would make the biggest difference and that would be newsworthy. And then again, we did it at a time when the economy was bad and we knew that news organizations were looking for visible ways to demonstrate the state of the economy and how the community was dealing with it. And we thought the library was a perfect vehicle for that. So it's a combination of those things that we used.
So over the period of this campaign, did you see any increases?
During the campaign itself, we saw some small increases in the use of the library. We did see in some of our online resources, the resume, software and those kinds of things, really significant, like 4 times the level of use for those things. But I think the more important increase was with the residual throughout the rest of the year. Over the year, our business was up 6% over the previous year, and we already were the second busiest library in the country. So, it really had a very strong impact. More importantly than the actual numbers of use was the perception in the community that the library was an important institution during tough economic times. And that's really the message that we wanted to convey.
Yeah, so what was the tagline for this effort?
Look to your libraries, and especially in these times. We felt that we could be important to the lives of the people that we serve.
Say it one more time.
Look to your library, especially in these times.
Thank you, Bill. Really appreciate it. Okay?
That work okay?